Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can delete Bigo Live account on your iPhone. So it is as similar as Android. So all you have to do is open up your Bigo Live account. So once you open your Bigo Live account, you'll be appear with somewhat like this on your screen interface. Now from the appeared interface, go ahead and tap on me, which is appear on the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, you can see the gear icon which is represented as settings. Go ahead and tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on account management. Now if you scroll down, you can see account ownership and you can read the condition for that. And at the button below, you can see delete account option written in there. Go ahead and tap on it. Now what you have to do is enter your password and tap on next. Now once you have written your password correct, it will take you to account deletion and delete conditions. And if you wanna continue deleting your account, go ahead and tap on confirm and continue. You will be appear with the terms and condition for deleting your Bigo Live account on your iPhone. So if you wanna continue deleting your account, go ahead and tap on delete account. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.